Understanding how computer systems and programming languages work is essential because it's easier to anticipate ways to exploit the system. Learning how to hack can help you build and follow the strongest possible security practices, become an ethical hacker. A successful ethical hacking requires being a master at problem solving. The ethical hacker's salary in India ranges from 1.77 lakh per annum to 40 lakh per annum. We have a structured, 68-hour course to get your hands on through all the stages of ethical hacking, such as reconnaissance, scanning, gaining access, maintaining access, clearing tracks. Choose between in-person classroom training and online sessions as per your convenience. Get mentored by professionals. Grab global placement opportunities in hand. Get internationally recognized certificate. What are you waiting for? Join Livewire, creating experts in IT, electronics and electricals, automation niche.